How to create a public profile on your Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch your Snapchat app on your mobile device. Make sure to log into your account. Now tap profile icon at top left corner of the screen. Now you need to simply tap on Create Public Profile option if you haven't yet and create a public profile. Then you need to scroll down and you need to locate the option Public Profile at top right corner of the screen and choose Spotlight option, and here you need to add a spotlight. Also you can come across this camera section, choose any filter of your choice, and then you need to take a snap. Tap Scene to at bottom right corner, and you have to choose My Story and set it to public so that everyone can see your story and share to public. Now tap the arrow icon at bottom right corner of the screen, and then it will be seen to your public profile. And that's it. You have successfully created your public profile on your Snapchat. If this was helpful, please give it thumbs up and subscribe for more amazing content. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.